this road today. I'm hanging out with my friend Justine.
Hi.
You guys know Justine. We filmed so many videos together, and if you hear a cough drop in my mouth and my voice kind of cracking, that is because I lost my voice. We went to Disneyland for a few days, and it just happened to be on the days that it was downpouring.
There were flood warnings. I was like, oh my gosh, there's flash flood warnings in Disney right now.
So I got a little bit of a sniffle, but now I am feeling good. I'm on the mend. I just sound terrible.
You don't sound that bad. I think
Thank you.
maybe in your head you think you do.
So I got this game. It's called Teeny Hands. Have you ever seen this game?
I have not actually. This looks so fun.
I also thought this could be a challenge game where I have an advantage because I have teeny hands. My hands are pretty small.
Okay, yeah, it's
Mine are like an
small.
inch smaller than
Look
yours.
at your little
Look at
hand.
that. My ring size is a size 3.
What?
Which they said little kids have.
That's crazy.
So I was like, oh, I got this. Those will be like second nature. But these are really hard to hold, so maybe not. We're playing for points. The first person to 31 points wins the game. So you take the blue, I'll take the yellow. Now, if you don't complete your challenge, you have to flip it over. And the points go to the other person.
Oh, that's spicy.
Spin this, and this will determine whether you get tiny hands or tinier. Look at how small these ones are.
They're really small.
Okay, so spin first.
Okay.
And choose your hands.
Well, I guess I got tiny.
All right, so you get these ones.
Well, because I'm new to this and I don't know what's happening, I'm gonna bet 3.
Justine, choose your card.
Okay. Nothing but nets. So I need 1 cup and a ball. Using the hands, toss the ball into the cup. I have 3 chances.
Okay, we need a cup. All right, so put those little tiny hands on.
I've got my
And here's
hands.
your ball, and you got 3 chances
3 tries.
to get it in there.
Oh my goodness, I couldn't even
All right.
do this with my normal hands.
This is chance number 1.
Okay, ready?
Okay, go for it. Go, Justine, go. Use those tiny hands. I'll cheer you on with these little hands. Go, Justine, go, Justine, go, Justine, go.
I don't even know how to. Does that count? That's not. Okay.
I don't know. Oh no.
So, step 1.
Okay, 1 try, down. Here you go.
Okay.
Here you go. Okay. All right, try number 2.
Oh, come on now. This is so
jeez.
silly.
Uh-oh.
Oh, gosh.
Here, Justine, catch.
Oh, come on now. Ready?
All right, there's your third shot. You got it. Go, Justine, go.
Okay, so I lost. So what
Okay,
now?
so I take your points, but I only get 1.
Okay.
Yeah, and now let me spin the wheel. All right,
go.
let's switch hands. I'm going for the big boy. I'm betting 10.
I love this.
I think I can do this. I'm not even gonna warm up. I'm just gonna jump in hot. Here we go. Get ready. Tie a tight bow into the string.
And then use the hands, untie the bow. So the first step was to tie a bow. I tied you a bow. And
Okay.
now you've got to untie this. But, oh my God, look at you. This is incredible. Okay, ready? I'm going to start the timer. Are you ready?
Okay,
You
go.
put that down. No,
Oh, sorry.
That's 10 points. I need this. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Go.
I'm ready. Okay.
You're too busy clapping.
Okay, let's try to pull it apart. This is not working. This technique is no good.
This is so amazing.
Pull it up.
I love everything that's happening right now.
Pull it apart. Loosen.
I love this.
How? Oh my gosh! And you can't use your mouth.
I don't think that
I don't think you can.
I mean, if you want, use whatever you want.
Oh. Okay. Well, let's
You
get.
can use your mouth. You want to use your mouth? Use your mouth.
I feel like you should be able to.
Use your mouth.
I feel like a cat. That's like.
Hurry up! You're running out of time.
I'm gonna get
Stick
it.
one of those strings in your mouth.
Okay.
I keep wanting to help, but I can't.
Okay. Let me just pick up the string. I
Oh
can
my
do
gosh.
it. Okay.
You got this. You got this. You got this.
Oh my gosh! It's still a bow.
I mean,
I did it!
Congratulations on your 10
Woohoo!
points.
I'm gonna take that point because nowhere does it say you can't use your mouth. Which hands will you be using? Here, use this. Oh my gosh.
Tinier.
The
Oh
little
no,
hands.
the baby ones. All right. So I'm gonna wager 10 points because why not? I need to catch
Woohoo!
up. This one is Why do I keep getting the ball? Place the ball on a hard surface, like a table or on the floor.
Okay.
Using the hands, dribble the ball 10 times in a row like a basketball without losing control of the ball. Oh, all right. That sounds fantastic.
How do you do that?
What?
How many tries do you get till the timer runs out? Okay, you got this.
10 times?
10 dribbles.
I'm ready.
On your mark, get set, go. Give me 10 dribbles. Give me 10 dribbles.
In a row?
Yeah.
You've got to be kidding me. You've got to be. You got 5.
I think so.
Need to focus.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9, 10. You did it!
Oh, did I?
Yeah, I think you did. Woo!
This is really hard.
You did a really good job. I'm like really impressed by you.
I just need to bring you around as a hype woman because that really was terrible.
And now I'm so excited. I cannot wait. I'm gonna do 7.
Okay.
Because this is like a lucky number. Use both sets of hands? What does that mean?
4 hands.
4 hands. Use both sets of hands. So it's 4 hands. Oh my gosh, really?
That's incredible. I can't wait to see what you're gonna get.
Justine, could you grab one of my
Yes.
cards? Because I have all these.
Okay.
Okay.
Get ready. Place the paper in front of you and pick up the pen. Go. Using the hands, legibly write your entire name.
Are you kidding me? With 4 hands?
Let me get the paper for you.
Okay, I have a piece over here. Is this a time situation?
It's definitely timed.
Or is it just like, can I do it?
It's timed.
Okay, well first let me turn it on. Thank you. Okay. Oh my gosh. Step 1, picking up the pen.
Should I start the timer?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Go.
Set, go. Okay, my full name.
I will hold the paper for you. You've got a long name.
That's an R, that's an R. Oh,
An R?
this is an O. S, oh, I got it now. Watch out, everybody. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I feel like I'm in preschool. This looks terrible. Okay, hurry, 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 hurry. I got a good angle on it. Oh my gosh, it looks amazing. Done.
What?
Boom.
With time to spare.
Legible, Rosanna Pansino.
I'm impressed.
Can you read this?
Yes, I can.
Okay, if you can read this, this counts. I'm taking those points.
Moving it over.
After you got the grip, you can kind of maneuver, but this is really tough. All right, Justine, make your wager and spin the wheel.
Okay.
I'll pet him. I'm gonna use these little hands to pet him.
Oh no, I have both sets of hands as well.
Oh my god.
Okay, Maddie, you gotta go over here because mommy's gotta try to do things.
All right, here's both of them.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna do 5.
Okay. Get ready. Place the card in front of you. Using the hands, flip over the card without bringing it to the edge of the table. So the challenge is to flip this over without bringing it to the edge.
No, with 4 hands.
You have until the timer runs out. So I'm gonna put this down in front of you. Are you ready?
Yes.
Set, go. I don't know if having 4 hands is gonna be easier. It probably will. Maybe you can like flip it on it. Oh, yes, Justine, yes, yes. Oh my gosh, yes, this is great. Let me give you space. Let me give you space. Flip it up, flip it up. You're doing great on time. Yes, yes, yes. No. Oh no, that was so close. Okay, oh. You got it. Okay. The teeny hand's coming in handy.
I'm sweating. Oh no, oh god.
It fell.
Okay.
You got it. Flip it over. It's a pancake. It's
Yay!
Ooh, yeah. Girl, you did that with time to spare.
My heart rate is super
You're
high.
really good at this game. You get those points. Boom. 15 points for Justine. The score right now is 18-15, so it's really close.
Super close.
All right. I'm going to give it a spin. Here we go. Pew! What shall I get?
Tiny.
I'm going for it. I'm going to go big.
All right.
Okay. What is it? Look at
Place
me.
the string in front of you.
This string is
I know.
really kicking my butt.
Using the hands, tie an overhand pretzel knot in the string.
Is this creeping you out? I am so ready. Let me do like, Justine, wait, you have a little hair in your face.
Thank you.
Can you move it?
Oh my god, I feel so beautiful.
Let me just move mine.
Oh my gosh.
Ready.
Go!
Okay, so we Googled it, and a pretzel knot is just a knot. So we just gotta get this in here. Look at that.
My
And then,
goodness.
oh, what? Hello, Girl Scouts.
I am so impressed right now.
Like, come on, little. Oh, we gotta push it down really hard. Pull. Oh,
I
jeez.
mean, that's it.
Pull.
You did it.
That's a knot, baby.
Ding,
Oh,
ding, ding.
yeah. Woo!
7 points for you.
See, I'm pretty good with these little teeny hands.
You're doing really good. Tinier.
You got data wings.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Okay, put your points on, dear.
I'm gonna go with 7 because I really need them because I'm losing incredibly bad right now.
Empty the box and close it. And then using the hands, open the box, pick up the ball and put it in the box and close the box.
Okay.
So let me get your box ready.
Okay.
This is hard. I mean, you gotta work for those 7 points. Empty the box and close it.
Okay.
I think this is the hardest one
I am
so far today. The box is empty. Using the hands, open the box, pick up the ball, put it in the box, and then close the box.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Get set, go.
Okay.
Boom, boom, boom. Open that box, Justine.
Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous.
Use those little hands. Uh-oh. I mean, I could
really
barely
hard.
open it with my regular hands. There you go, there you go. Get in there.
Jamming it in there.
Here, I'll move these out of the way. You got plenty of space. You're doing great. Get those little hands in there.
I am jamming my.
Nice. It's a good technique. Yes, yes, yes. Put the ball in there. Yes,
gosh,
now
now I gotta
close
close
it up.
it.
Close it up. You've got about half your time left. Go,
Okay, I'm gonna
Justine. Go,
focus.
Justine. Go. Line it up. Line it.
What? I am a prodigy.
What? She did that with half the time to spare. Are you sure you've never played this game before? You're so good at this game. Scores 25-22.
Oh, I'm not doing
Tight.
so
It's
well.
close game still. Okay. All right, I'm gonna wager 5 because this is the biggest one I can wager.
Tiny.
Okay. It should be the
Place.
challenge. Put on your lip gloss.
Place all the items on the spinner.
I think it should be a challenge to drink your chai tea latte. I think this should be the challenge.
That's that you're doing it.
I win.
You're gonna put all of the items on the spinner and then you're gonna walk around without any of the items falling off. You have 2 chances.
2 chances?
2 chances.
That's it? Okay, so I just gotta put everything on here and try to walk around the table.
Yeah, that's it.
This reminds me of my waitressing days. I was a waitress off and on for like 8 years. Justine, load me up. Can you put the little ball and the string
Should we
on
put
here?
the ball or is that like too difficult?
Let's do it. It said all of them.
Okay.
You know, I was okay at the balancing when I was a waitress, so I'm hoping all my skills are gonna come in handy.
She's doing it.
I'm like, orders up. Orders up. Orders
Oh
up.
my gosh, you're a little tiny.
Orders
You
up.
got this. You're so close.
I'm so close. I'm doing it. Oh my gosh. Yes. And then Justine, I'm gonna serve it to you.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay. I did it. And here are, madame.
Well, congratulations.
Do I get the point if I
Yes.
didn't put it down perfect?
No, you did it.
Okay. 30.
Oh my gosh. Okay, well, here's the thing.
Ooh, this is so close. Da-da-da-da-da. Tiny. All right,
Okay.
here you go.
I'm gonna wager 7.
Yes! Now, Justine, you're my friend, so I don't like to pressure you, but I just have to state the facts of the situation right here. If you don't complete this, I only need 1 point to win, so I will win. I will take those points. No
Then-
pressure.
That's a lot of pressure.
Choose your card. Oh no, what does it say?
Get ready. Place the spinner in front of you. All right.
Okay, spinner.
Spinner's in front of me. Using the hands, toss the spinner above your head and catch it 3 times in a row. 3 times? I have
3
to catch
times
it
in a row.
in a row, so I can't drop it.
Just pretend it's a pizza. You're just throwing the pizza dough in the air and then catching it.
I love pizza.
3 times in a row, though, that's really tricky.
That's aggressive. Okay.
Catching anything with these hands is tough. Okay, ready, set, toss that
Okay.
thing. I don't know what it's called. Okay, you got it. Toss the spinner and catch it. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. Oh, shit.
This is really hard. And tossing it above my head.
You got it.
No. Oh, God.
You got it. One. We saw it. We saw it. Two.
I got this. I got
Half
this.
the
I got
time.
this. Okay.
You can do this. One. Here, try it again. One. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez.
My body.
Uh-oh, this is getting pretty down.
Oh, no.
Here. Oh, Justine, I don't want to tell you this, but the timer just ran out.
No.
There's... Girl, it is...
I just can't even pick it up.
She's got it.
Here.
I'll take it. I'll take this.
No.
Well, maybe on the backside it'll be a 0 and I won't get any points. Ready? Let's see.
I'm feeling so disheveled.
Oh, it was a 5. It was 5 points.
So what does that mean?
That means I win! What? Justine's like, no. All right, that does it for a Tiny Hands Challenge game. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A big thank you to my friend Justine for helping me play this game. She was an amazing sport, and technically I won this game, but this game was neck and neck the entire time.
No,
and also these
it wasn't.
hands are like
you definitely
super
dominated.
cute.
They are cute. High five.
High five. Pew. We should do videos with these hands. Like, I want to do a baking video, like a Tiny Hands like baking video, and try to bake something with these.
Should I do an unboxing video?
Yes!
Oh my gosh, that'll be amazing.
Can you please? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did like this video and you like this game, if you have tried this game before, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. All right, thanks again, you guys. Bye-bye. Bye. And if you would like to watch any other videos, don't forget to click up here.
Or you can click up here. This is so funny. I love it. What a great idea.